This is the ULIKIT AUAG brand drafting chair. Let's take a close look at it. It says office chair DCR 005. I would gather that's the model number. It gives you a parts list, which continues. Everything in here is actually in plain English, but it's basically a pictogram. Very easy to put together. You take the cap off the gas shock, press the wheels into the base, put the gas shock in there, put the footrest on top of that, and then the bottom part with the little handle so you can control the up and down motion of it bolts on with 4 bolts, which are included along with their washers. Also included are, or rather is, an Allen wrench for that. And the handles there, the back of it here flips down. I'll show you a little later. And that's it. You lock it in place and everything's good. And stick in these little caps which go on the sides over here, as you can see on the over the screws here. The armrests here are adjustable. They can flip up and out of the way, as you can see, just like that, or flip down into place, and of course the other one moves as well. The back of the chair is a mesh, as you see right here. It's just a fabric mesh, quite comfortable, stretched over a nylon frame. Everything here is nylon plastic. I've heard of others having chairs with these nylon plastic arms and bases and whatnot break. I've never ever seen or had that happen to me ever. I find them incredibly durable, actually, and just good all around. To lower the back of it, you press in on the button over here, and there's one on the other side here, and it flips down. That's what it looks like with it flipped down, I guess, for putting it under a desk if you wanted to tuck it in a little further, and of course for easier shipping. The whole top part here, including the back and the seat cushion, the arms, everything here is all one piece as it's shipped. And as I explained underneath here, you just bolt the metal piece on there and pop it on the gas shock. And here's the footrest. It's all metal, including the arms on it. Nice and sturdy and strong. The chair has 5 fully swivelable casters with dual wheels on them, which is a little hard for me to show you, as you can see on each side. Seat height sits just about 26.5, 27 inches at the lowest setting, and it goes up, way up, to about a good 35 inches off the ground. So that's almost 3 feet off the ground. This is a very, very tall chair. Just to give you an idea, this is a very tall chair, but it's supposed to be because it's a drafting chair. And typically drafting tables are high up off the ground. Otherwise it's, nicely padded. It's got pretty much the same mesh over here as is on the back. It's nice and comfortable. And that's really all there is to say about it. It's a nice chair all around, especially if you're into drafting and that, architecture, things like that. So it's a nice chair. This again was the ULIKIT AUAG brand drafting chair. If you'd like to purchase this chair, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find it available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.